Are you stuck with data spread across dozens of columns that just refuses to work with your pivot tables or charts? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how Power Queries. Imagine you have a sales table where each month is its own column, January, February, March, and so on, and you need to create a pivot table or run a. Start by selecting any cell inside your data table. Then go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon and click on From Table/Range to load your data into the Power Query editor. Once in behind the scenes, Power Query writes a step called table.unpivot other columns, where the first argument is your table, the second is the list of columns to keep fixed like product, and look at the result. Your wide table with 3-month columns is now a clean long table with every combination of product and month on its own row, perfectly structured for pivot table. You just learned how to use Power Query's Unpivot feature to transform wide, messy column data into clean analysis-ready rows in seconds.